If you have lost your lifetime saving, there are still chances to regain it. If you have lost your health, there are still chances to recover and lead a healthy life. But if your time is lost, it is lifetime loss. You cannot get your lost time again. It is loss for forever. Time is treasure. There are a lot of things which can be put into the category of treasure. Idea is treasure. Education is treasure. Family is treasure. Relationship is a treasure. But the time is the most precious treasure among all. Some people blame God that they are born in a poor family, or they are not as intelligent as their peers. But God has blessed everyone equally with only one thing, that is the equal amount of time, 24 hours a day. The poorest and the richest have same amount of time. People in America, India, Bangladesh have one thing common, that is the equal amount of time. Some people do not seem to get time for anything in life. They do not have time to visit parents. They do not have time for morning walk. They do not have time for reading books. They do not have time to cast a vote once in 5 years. Advent of modern technology should have made our life simpler and easier. Mobile phone, computer, laptop should have made more time at our disposal. Tips and tricks, tools and technology, calendar and checklist are being used far more than ever before. Still, we are running short of time. People were more connected earlier, before the use of Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp. Have you ever wondered how come on this planet some people get time? Before going to the bed. And once you have the list of all doable tasks, take care of few tasks from next week onwards. Believe me, it will save you a lot of time and unnecessary stress. Once you have a list of all doable tasks, it will give you a clarity. Your day will start with a definite goal in mind. Start your day with tasks which are the most important and most urgent. This list will keep changing during the course of the day, but it will keep you more focused. You will realize that you are finding time for doing a lot of things which was not possible earlier. You will realize that it was not the problem of no to a lot of things which was not in your priority list. You cannot manage your life because time management is life management.